So you want to know how to build your multi-level marketing business or network marketing business online. Well, pay close attention to this video because I'm about to share with you some critical things that you need to know. What's going on, y'all? This is Dereco Cherry coming at you from DerecoCherry.com, and I'm sitting here in my mobile university, aka my car, and I wanted to share this quick video with you. Okay, so building your network marketing business online. Now, let me tell you what it does not involve. It does not involve you going out pitching your business to people. It does not involve you going out putting your sign up links on your social media profiles. That is not how you do this. You do this by actually leading with value. And what do I mean by value? Value means that you actually putting out information that actually will help someone. That's actually how you attract people to you to have them interested in you in your product or service. Now, when you're talking about building your network marketing business online, there's some critical things that you need to have in place and you need to understand. So, for starters, when you're talking about internet marketing, MLM marketing, whatever you want to call it, the main thing that you want to be doing is building your marketing list. And your marketing list is simply a collection of usernames, email addresses, sometimes telephone numbers of people who have expressed the interest in what you have to offer. Now, if you stay online for any amount of time, you're going to hear people say the term, the money's in the list. And this is absolutely true because basically it's a list of people who are already interested in network marketing. They're already interested in what you have to offer. They want to hear from you. So when you're out here building your list or out here working your business, one of your primary goals is to be adding to your marketing list each and every day. And in my opinion, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. There's you got video marketing, you got podcast, you got Facebook marketing, you can do paid advertising. But in my opinion, the very best way for you to generate leads for your network marketing business is to use blogging. It's to blog. Blogging is the number one way that you can actually generate leads for your business. Why do I say blogging? Well, when you have a self-hosted blog, it's yours. You own it. Nobody can shut you down unless you don't pay your hosting bill. If you are here and trying to build your business on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or somewhere like that. Now, keep in mind, I use all these platforms, but I use them as spokes that point back to my blog. I don't run my whole business. I don't solely rely on those social media platforms because what happens there is if, say, for instance, that your account gets shut down for whatever reason or you get put in Facebook jail, then you can't work your business until you get out of that. Not with your blog. Your blog, when you actually get a self-hosted blog, the only way you can get it turned off, like I said earlier, is if you don't pay your hosting bill. Now, another key thing about blogging is that, and I don't want this video to turn into just all about blogging, but it's such a critical part of building your MLM online. That's why I'm devoting so much time to it. But another big benefit of blogging is versus using social media is that, so say like you put up a Facebook post, right? And, you get a couple of comments here and there, get some engagement on there, which is good. That's what you want to do. But what happens a day later, 2 days later, or a week later? How many times have you ever went back and found an old Facebook post, say from 2000? I mean, it's 2018 at the time of this video. How many times have you went back and found a post from 2016 of some content, or a question that you typed in Google? Probably never. Now, with blogs, it's totally different. When you go out here and type something in, I have people finding my blogs that I've written 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It's crazy. Talk about building the ultimate leverage. That's why you want to be blogging. So, talked about blogging a little bit. Talked about the importance of building your marketing list. Now, here's the one key thing, critical things that you need if you want to build your network marketing business online, and that is a system. A system is short for save yourself time, energy, and money. You want to plug into a community of entrepreneurs, people who are on the same path as you are. Now, let me tell you the reason why having a system is so important. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get access and take a look at the exact system that I use to actually build my network marketing business online. But the key thing with using a system is that, when you're marketing online, things change. If you go down the path of, using Facebook ads, that stuff changes. going down the path of doing keyword research. And if you don't know what I'm talking about with all this stuff, that's perfectly fine. It's you'll get accustomed to this stuff, but learning how to do keyword research, learning how to do YouTube marketing, the most effective strategies out here. You want to be plugged into this stuff because this stuff changes all the time and you want to be on top of this stuff. Not to mention, a lot of times systems have done for you capture pages. When I talked about building your list earlier, you want to do that with capture pages, and you don't want to spend a bunch of time trying to code up web pages, trying to design all this stuff. A lot of times systems have this stuff already done for you. All you have to do is actually find out who's open, who's willing to take a look and put the information in front of them. So just to recap here, I know this video ran a little longer than normal, but I wanted to make sure that I went over just about everything, with online marketing, building a network marketing business online. So just to recap, what I talked about here is that, building your business online, you want to, one, be concentrating on building your list, your marketing list, first and foremost, adding people to that thing each and every single day. Number two, I highly suggest, you take up blogging, learn how to blog. Blog is the number one way to generate leads online, in my opinion, and number three, is you want to plug into a system. Plug into a system that's going to keep you on top of all the changing marketing strategies, all the changing things that happens out here, in the internet world, because they do change all the time. And if you want to get access to the one that I actually use to learn all this stuff and keep on the cutting edge of technology, click the link right below this video. It'll take you to a short video where it'll explain everything. You can go and check that out. So I hope you got some value out this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure you drop me a comment below and feel free to share this around with anyone you think can get some benefit out of it. And, if you want some help getting your MLM marketing game plan together and learning how to build your network marketing business online, send me an email at Dereco@DerecoCherry.com and we'll set up a time to talk. Hope you have an awesome day. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.